Welcome to Zoology session. Today's topic synaptic transmission. Here already we discussed nerve impulse. Nerve impulse, it transmits one neuron to another neuron through gap junction is called as nerve synaptic transmission. Here impulse starts with one end and it is pass through junction. Here it is presynaptic nerve and a postsynaptic nerve. I will draw here. This is a axon. This is axon terminal. So I will give you this axon terminal. Like this. There is vesicles. This is axon terminal. These are neurotransmitter vesicles. Neurotransmission vesicles. Here ligand channels are present, and this is presynaptic nerve. And here postsynaptic nerve. So I already given this hint. This is the presynaptic nerve of the previous neuron, and dendrite here it is. This is the postsynaptic nerve, and there is a junction between this. There is a gap that we call as presynaptic cleft or synaptic cleft. Here some buttons, neurotransmitter buttons are present. Nerve impulse starts here through the membrane and it reaches to axon terminal. Here these ion channels, voltage gated calcium ion channels are present. These channels activates neurotransmitters. So I will show you one example, same like this. This is the axon terminal. Here it is presynaptic nerve. Here ligand gated channels. These are the neurotransmitter vesicles, and this is postsynaptic nerve. In this there is a gap that we call as a synaptic cleft, and here when in this place voltage gated channels like calcium channels activates, and these voltage gated channels releases ion of calcium ions. These calcium ion activates neurotransmitter like acetylcholine, and one more different type of neurotransmitters also present. Here inhibitory neurotransmitters and excitatory neurotransmitters are present. Excitatory neurotransmitters, those are epinephrine, norepinephrine and acetylcholine, serotonin like this. These are the excitatory and inhibitory, that is glycine and GABA. GABA is nothing but gamma aminobutyric acid. So this is inhibitory, gamma aminobutyric acid. Here nerve impulse, two types. Nerve transmissions, two types. One is electrical, another one is chemical. In electrical, there is a gap between like this, low gap, either no gap, and directly the electric impulse jumps from presynaptic nerve to postsynaptic nerve. And a chemical impulse, there is a gap. In that gap, fluid filled neurotransmitters are present. Those are acetylcholine. And here also ligand gated channels are present. These channels, receptors, receive the impulse of this presynaptic membrane to postsynaptic membrane. Through like this junction, it transmits electric impulse or chemical impulse, one neuron to another neuron. So this is totally neural synaptic transmission. Here presynaptic nerve, wherever the channels are present, through this action potential generates. These action potentials called as terminal summation. And total presynaptic nerves, this presynaptic nerve, one more nerve and another nerves also present. These nerves total summation through impulse carried input, that is summation of a spatial summation. And here postsynaptic nerve, like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, all these total how many postsynaptic nerves are present, though total synapse from this through nerve fiber is called as total summation or graded potential summation. So another topic we will discuss in another video.